Conventional cleaning products are a staple in many households, used to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. However, their widespread use comes at a significant environmental cost. The chemical ingredients found in many of these products can be harmful not only to the environment, but also to human health. When these products are washed down drains, they enter water systems and, ultimately, the environment, where they can cause harm to aquatic ecosystems, contribute to water pollution, and disrupt natural habitats. Additionally, the production, packaging, and disposal of cleaning products often rely on processes that are not sustainable, contributing to larger environmental issues such as plastic waste and carbon emissions. The chemical composition of conventional cleaning products is a key factor in their environmental impact. Many contain harsh chemicals such as phosphates, ammonia, chlorine, and various synthetic fragrances and preservatives. These substances are effective in breaking down dirt and bacteria, but they do not break down easily in the natural environment. Phosphates, for example, are commonly found in laundry detergents and dishwashing liquids. When these chemicals enter rivers and lakes through wastewater, they can lead to a phenomenon known as eutrophication, which occurs when excess nutrients cause rapid algae growth. This algae depletes the oxygen in the water, leading to the death of aquatic plants and animals and severely disrupting the balance of ecosystems. Chlorine bleach is another commonly used ingredient that poses risks to the environment. While effective at disinfecting and whitening surfaces, chlorine bleach releases toxic compounds known as dioxins when it breaks down. Dioxins are highly persistent environmental pollutants, accumulating in the food chain and causing long-term damage to wildlife, particularly in aquatic environments. Additionally, when bleach reacts with organic matter, it can form harmful byproducts like chloroform, which is not only a potential carcinogen, but also poses a threat to air and water quality. These byproducts can remain in the environment for years, contributing to pollution and health hazards. Another problem with conventional cleaning products is the impact they have on water quality. Many products contain surfactants, which are compounds that help to break down grease and oil. However, surfactants are often toxic to aquatic life, even in low concentrations. They can affect fish and other marine organisms by damaging their protective outer layers or interfering with their ability to regulate moisture and oxygen. This can lead to a decrease in biodiversity in affected areas. Furthermore, synthetic fragrances, dyes, and preservatives found in many household cleaners do not break down easily in water, persisting in the environment and contributing to long-term water pollution. The packaging of conventional cleaning products is another major contributor to environmental degradation. Most cleaning products are sold in single-use plastic bottles, which add to the growing problem of plastic waste. These bottles are often made from non-recyclable materials or are not recycled by consumers, leading to millions of tons of plastic ending up in landfills or the ocean each year. In the ocean, plastic waste can take hundreds of years to degrade, causing harm to marine life through ingestion and entanglement. Microplastics, tiny particles that break off from larger pieces of plastic, can also contaminate water sources and enter the food chain, posing risks to both wildlife and humans. The production and transportation of conventional cleaning products contribute to the environmental impact as well. The manufacturing process for many of the chemicals used in these products requires significant energy and water consumption, leading to carbon emissions and resource depletion. Furthermore, many products are packaged in heavy plastic containers and shipped long distances, increasing their carbon footprint due to transportation-related emissions. The cumulative effect of these processes exacerbates global environmental issues, such as climate change and pollution. Human health is also a concern when it comes to the environmental impact of cleaning products. The chemicals in these products not only pollute the environment, but can also affect indoor air quality. Many products release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air, which contribute to the formation of ground-level ozone and smog, both of which are harmful to respiratory health. Long-term exposure to VOCs can cause headaches, dizziness, and respiratory problems. Moreover, the use of chemical-heavy cleaning products in homes, schools, and workplaces can expose individuals to harmful substances that can trigger allergies, asthma, and other health conditions. Children and pets are particularly vulnerable to these effects due to their smaller size and developing immune systems. Addressing the environmental impact of conventional cleaning products requires a shift towards more sustainable alternatives. Eco-friendly cleaning products are designed to minimize harm to both the environment and human health. They often contain plant-based ingredients that are biodegradable and free from harsh chemicals, making them safer for aquatic life and less likely to contribute to water pollution. Many eco-friendly products also come in recyclable or reusable packaging, helping to reduce plastic waste. In addition to purchasing green products, individuals can make their own cleaning solutions at home using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice, which are effective at cleaning without the environmental drawbacks of chemical-based products. In conclusion, while conventional cleaning products are effective at maintaining cleanliness, their environmental impact is profound. From the release of harmful chemicals into water systems to the contribution of plastic waste and carbon emissions, these products play a significant role in environmental degradation. By choosing more sustainable alternatives and being mindful of the products we use, it is possible to reduce this impact and promote a healthier environment for both current and future generations.